Hello, welcome to another episode of Coding Dojo. As you notice, I have this microphone, and I don't have a beard, but it's still me, same person. Okay, so today's task is to find high and low from the string of numbers. So given the string of 5 numbers, we will need to return a string with 5 and 1. So at the beginning, let's check console log how it looks like. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, to be honest. So first what we're gonna do is const number array. It's always easier to operate on arrays, and then we split on space. Okay, so now we're gonna have this in array. Next thing we want to do is find the highest number, so const max, and it's provided with math function number array. So with this it will spread the numbers to different parameters, and that's how it will get the maximum number, and minimal number will do the same stuff. So now if you return, we need to format it to the highest, so max plus space plus minimum run simple tests. Number is not defined, yeah, because it's numbers, true. Now it should work. Yep, so that's how you do it. It was fast, it was precise. Okay, see you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thumbs up. Thank you.